In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn an old bathtub into a thriving worm farm, producing the richest of compost that's full of microbial life and the ultimate enrichment for your garden soil. Hi folks, welcome back to Bosco's Garden. Today I'm going to be emptying the finished castings. This is done on a cycle every 3 to 6 months and is topped up with vegetable scraps every week or so to give the worms a fresh supply of food. I start by removing any leftover uncomposted material from the surface and place it in a bucket. I'll use this again later on. For the past few weeks, I've been keeping this fresh material to one side of the bath. This helps to move most of the worm population to this area as they follow the food, and it makes it very easy to separate the worms from the finished castings. So now that I know where the worms are, I can scoop them out of here and put them into their own separate bucket. I find it's best to just use your hands here to avoid cutting them in half. I should also mention that these are compost worms. Don't use earthworms. Compost worms can be found in piles of well-rotted manure or compost heaps, or it is possible to buy them online. Now what's left is pure gold. This is the creme de la creme of compost and can be used sparingly throughout the garden for untold benefits. I put this into a wheelbarrow and scatter it lightly on my beds and let it work its magic. Another one of the main benefits of using a bathtub is that it has a drain in the bottom, helping to regulate moisture while also providing us with a liquid compost tea that can be used directly or diluted with water if desired. So that's 2 free products that are way better than anything you will find in a shop. Now to refill the tub. First, put in this super expensive high-tech filter consisting of a bit of off-cut chicken wire and netting. Place it on the drain and hold it down with an old block. Anything will work here, as long as it stops the drain from getting clogged up. Then simply add back in fresh manure, in this case, donkey dung. Then, on top of that, re-add your worms. Then more uncomposted material. This can be kitchen or garden waste, and the more shredded up it is, the faster they will break it down. You should avoid acidic foods, such as citrus and anything in the onion family. Adding shredded paper from time to time can be beneficial, and their favourite food, above all, has got to be melons.